Welcome back, everybody. Dave Blinder from eXp Realty, licensed New Jersey real estate agent as well as mentor for our brokerage. I'm here to help whether you're interested in selling or purchasing a home or just want information on what's going on in your local real estate market. So I just had a nice, thoughtful comment come in on my YouTube channel. And Joel Ramak is asking about the Middlesex County real estate market. Thanks so much, Joel, for getting in touch with me. And Joel is asking about home values in the towns of Woodbridge, South Plainfield, Edison, Metuchen, and Piscataway. Great commuter towns, very desirable areas in Middlesex County. So I've gone ahead and pulled some market data off of Central Jersey MLS for these towns in Middlesex. We're looking back at 90 days in data for recently sold homes in these towns. So for Woodbridge, New Jersey, in single family homes, the average sale price recently has been about $379,000. And we can see it is still a seller's market with homes averaging 101.9% of list price being received at the final closing table. We've got median days on the market of 38 days. That's an approximate time from listing till closing for a home in Woodbridge, New Jersey, and a total of 33 homes sold in the last 90 days from Central Jersey MLS records in Woodbridge, New Jersey. Heading over to South Plainfield, another great area in Middlesex County, still looking at that recent 90-day sales period. We've got an average sales price in South Plainfield of just under $435,000 and still a very, very strong seller's market. So the sellers are receiving slightly over 100% of the asking price also in South Plainfield, 101.2% to be more precise. We've got median days on the market. Again, that's list date to close date to about 29 days, and 53 homes have sold in South Plainfield in the past 90 days. Heading over to Edison, New Jersey, we can see we've got a lot more volume. It's a larger city, more populous. So in recent 90 days, the average sales price in Edison has been $551,647. Of course, a very, very strong seller's market in Edison, with folks selling their homes receiving a little more than they've been asking for, 101.3%. We've got median days on the market in Edison of average of 31 days. So houses are moving very, very quickly. The inventory is not sitting for very long. Heading over to the very desirable Metuchen area in Middlesex, we can see an average sales price of $575,699. And the relatively strong seller's market again, with home sellers receiving more than 100% of their asking prices. Very, very fast-paced market in Metuchen with a median days on market of 22 days from listing till under contract or closing time in Metuchen. And that's 38 homes sold from Central Jersey MLS in the past 90 days in Metuchen. Again, we're just looking at single-family homes for these stats. And last but not least, we have Piscataway in the last 90 days with an average sale price of $496,915. So significantly more than asking price is what sellers are receiving at 102.3%. So if you're a buyer, there may not be a whole lot of room for negotiability on a typical home Piscataway. We've got 26 average or median days on the market in Piscataway, and 74 homes have sold off of Central Jersey MLS in Piscataway in the last 90 days. So I wanted to thank everybody so much for tuning in. If you have any questions on the Middlesex County real estate market or anywhere else in New Jersey, just let me know. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon.